Tired of juggling customer data between your WooCommerce store and Zoho CRM? This video will show you how to seamlessly integrate them and unlock a world of automation. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugin section and click Add New. Search for Zoho CRM in the plugin directory. You will find several options. We recommend using the official Zoho CRM plugin or a well-reviewed integration plugin like WooCommerce Zoho CRM integration by MakeWebEditor. Click Install Now on your chosen plugin and then activate it. Once activated, you'll typically find a new Zoho CRM option in your WordPress menu or within the WooCommerce settings. Click on it to begin the configuration process. You'll likely need to connect your Zoho CRM account. This usually involves generating an API key from your Zoho CRM account and entering it into the plugin settings, or using an authentication flow to grant the plugin access. Refer to the plugin documentation for the exact steps for authentication. Now, configure the settings to map WooCommerce order data to Zoho CRM fields. This means specifying which WooCommerce fields, like customer name, email, order total, and products purchased, correspond to which fields in your Zoho CRM contacts or leads module. Most plugins allow you to trigger specific actions in Zoho CRM when a new order is placed, such as creating a new lead or updating an existing contact. Configure these triggers based on your desired workflow. Finally, save your settings and perform a test order to ensure the integration is working correctly. Check your Zoho CRM to confirm that the new lead or contact has been created with the correct information. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your WooCommerce store to Zoho CRM, streamlining your customer relationship management and automating your e-commerce workflow. Don't forget to explore the plugin's advanced features for further customization.